Welcome to the explainer video for participant analysis. This video will briefly explain what participant analysis is, why it's important, and how to find your way around our resources. The main question of participant analysis is who is who in a psalm, showing who is the speaker in every verse, who is the addressee, the one being spoken to, and who is being referred to throughout the text itself. Sometimes this is quite straightforward. Take, for example, Psalm 3, which begins a psalm of David when he fled from Absalom his son. O Lord, how many are my foes? Many are rising against me. It's clear then that the psalm is about David, the Lord, and David's enemies, led by Absalom his son. And David is the speaker addressing the Lord, which makes the Lord the addressee. But then you have psalms like Psalm 75, which reads a psalm of Asaph, a song. We give thanks to you, O God. And then in verse 3, I will judge with equity. When the earth totters and all its inhabitants, it is I who keep steady its pillars. Then verse 10, it continues, but I will declare it forever. I will sing praises to the God of Jacob. In this psalm, it is very difficult to find out who is who. It is a psalm of Asaph, one person, but it begins with a group speaking. We give thanks to you. Then without any introduction, God seems to speak from verse 3. But then by verse 10, we have someone else speaking about how he will praise God. These ambiguities can lead to completely different interpretations of the psalm, and our participant analysis aims to clarify these ambiguities and show the story that emerges between the participants of the psalm. There are 6 parts to our resources. The first is our participant set list, which gives a complete list of all participants who appear in the psalm, as well as the different names by which they are referred to. These are accompanied by the participant profile notes, which give a brief introduction to most or all of the participants and explain any important background information about them. The set list is designed to accompany our participant tracking text. Here we have the complete text of the psalm laid out, showing the speaker and addressee of every verse, as well as who is being referred to all throughout the psalm. The participant being referred to has the same highlight color as in the participant set list, so you can track clearly throughout the text. Accompanying the participant tracking text are participant tracking notes. These are included when necessary in order to clarify and discuss points that are not clear and need explanation. For example, where it is not clear which participant is being referred to. Finally, 2 further resources are available. The relations diagram shows how all the participants relate to each other. The participants are listed on each of the corners, and the relationships to each other are shown with arrows and text. Then we have the distribution table, which shows where in the psalm different participants appear. This can show important patterns in the psalm and even sometimes intentional poetic design. We hope you'll find these resources helpful. For more information on our resources, our methods, and specific layers, you can see our user's guide.